Hi, I'm Ian Lawless from Great Ocean Properties in Anglesea, standing in the backyard of number 18 Holmwood Avenue. This classic Anglesea beach house is set in the heart of everything Anglesea has to offer. You've got the river, the shops, the cafes, the beach, the surf club. If you're in the market for a magnificent Anglesea property, then this is definitely worth an inspection. So why don't you come and take a look with me? Hi, thanks for having a look through number 18 Holmwood. If you've got any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, please contact Paula Fowler, Jess Nelson or myself, Ian Lawless, and we'd be happy to help you.